Want to craft those uplifting anthems that dominate the charts? Let's dive into the world of progressive house, Calvin Harris style. First, we're going to focus on signature melodic elements. Think bright, anthemic leads using supersaws and chord progressions that build emotion. Experiment with arpeggiators for that signature pulsating feel. We'll layer these with lush pads that create a wide, immersive sonic landscape, often with a touch of chorus and reverb to give them that signature shimmer. Next, the foundation, the bassline for that Calvin Harris punch. We're looking for a solid, driving sub-bass, often a simple sine or saw wave. Carefully mixed, layer this with a mid-range bass for grit and presence. Maybe a distorted square wave or a plucky bass synth. Symmetry in the rhythm is key. Think foreign with subtle variations that keep it engaging. Now for the rhythmic backbone, a powerful kick drum is non-negotiable. Tight and punchy wheel add crisp hi-hats, open and closed, arranged with a driving 16th note pattern to create momentum. Don't forget the snare. Sharp, impactful snare on the 2 and 4. Often layered with a clap for extra weight. Percussion loops, like shakers and toms, add subtle groove and fill out the sonic spectrum. Structure is vital for that epic feel. We'll build tension with filter sweeps, risers, and vocal chops, leading to explosive drops. Think clear intro, verse, build-up, and chorus sections. Use automation extensively on filters, volume, and effects to create dynamic movement and keep the listener hooked, culminating in that signature euphoric release. By combining these elements, infectious melodies, powerful bass lines, and driving rhythms, all carefully arranged, you can start crafting your own progressive house hits. Keep experimenting, and happy producing.